Visit Chandra's beautiful universe. 3D models. New three-dimensional, or 3D, models of objects in space have been released by NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory. These 3D models allow people to view and print examples of stars in the early and end stages of their lives. These 3D models are based on state-of-the-art theoretical models, computational algorithms, and observations from space-based telescopes like Chandra that give us accurate pictures of these cosmic objects and how they evolve over time. However, looking at images and animations is not the only way to experience these data. The 4 new 3D printable models of Cassiopeia A, G292.0 plus 1.8, and Cygnus Loop supernova remnants, and the star known as BP Tau, let us experience the celestial objects in the form of physical structures that will allow anyone to hold replicas of these stars and their surroundings and examine them from all angles. In Cassiopeia A, astronomers combined X-rays from Chandra and infrared data from the James Webb Space Telescope to shed light on the origin of a mysterious structure they dubbed Green Monster. This revealed new insights into the explosion that created Cass A about 340 years ago from Earth's perspective. By creating a 3D model of the G292 system, astronomers have been able to examine the asymmetrical shape of the remnant that can be explained by a reverse shock wave moving back toward the original explosion. This helps them better understand this rare type of supernova explosion that contains large amounts of oxygen. The Cygnus Loop, also known as the Veil Nebula, is a supernova remnant, the remains of the explosive death of a massive star. This 3D model is the result of a simulation describing the interaction of a blast wave from the explosion with an isolated cloud of the dust and gas in between the stars. Finally, a 3D model shows a star less than 10 million years old that is surrounded by a disk of material. This object, called BP Tau, has flares that interact with a disk of material surrounding this infant star. Looking at BP Tau gives us insight into our own sun billions of years ago.